Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, access calendar by tapping on it. Then click on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, create your event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose event over here and customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting or ending hour, add people, select color, or even take notes. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. Set up location over here. Type in an address and click on the correct one. And some other things. For example, if you click Does Not Repeat, you can select one of those options if you wish your event to repeat. For example, every day. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, you need to tap on it, click on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. I will go with Does Not Repeat. Then save them by choosing Save at the top right corner. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!